Here we have another Japanese rose made by Takunori Kimura in 2013, and it is called Paris. Not Paris after the city, but after the prince in Greek mythology. And it is a rose that you cannot find that often. It's somewhat rare, and each flower blooms differently. There is no standard with this rose. So some of them, for example, are very pink, everything pink. Others are brighter. And I noticed that they have on one side, like this here, they have a darker point. So there is no symmetry with this rose. That's why they are so interesting. And you can see how the colors are mixed here. Probably if we would peel it a little like this, you can see that there is a darker petal and then a brighter one, and then again dark and bright here. Okay, let me make this sharp. It doesn't want to focus. Yes, so they are, even in Japan, considered very special. Actually, at the flower shop, one flower costs like $10 for one single flower, so they are really expensive. And this is the side angle, and it has a wonderful, quite strong perfume. So that's another great thing about these, is that they it's not just beauty, but they smell nice, and you can enjoy these many colors. Basically, in the official description, the center is supposed to be grayish pink, and then outside hot pink, and it will open. So this one is still closed. It will open and become almost flat like a plate. So everything that we see here is going to unfold and give a yet different, point of view of this rose. I'm not sure if this cut one, if this kept in the vase is going to open that much, but I want to show you, yes, here too, the petals that have different colors, these layers of, so it's not like you can say, they were scorched by the sun and then just became red on the outside, because the color goes deep in here. And it's they say it's a floribunda. The size, let's compare it with the rose that I introduced to you recently, called Eve Pesh, this year. So if you compare the size and also see the colors, you can understand that this is really special. And when you buy a bunch of them, each looks so different, you'd think they are completely different species. Anyway, once again, the name is Paris and made in Japan by Takunori Kimura, 2013. So it's already a while. And they are writing on the official site that if you are giving too much fertilizer, the buds will become too large and too many petals, and then they might fall down if there is not enough water later on. Okay, so let me show it to you in this angle before we finish the video. It's really romantic with all these petals like a dress like a princess dress.